Good morning student, welcome to DSS online class. Today I will give reading video of chapter 10 Respiration in Organism. What is respiration? Respiration is the process in which breaking down of food with release of energy, and this energy is used in physical work and cellular work. One day Buju was eagerly waiting to meet his grandparents who were coming to the town after a year. He was in a real hurry as he wanted to receive them at the bus stop. He ran fast and reached the bus stop in a few minutes. He was breathing rapidly. His grandmother asked him why he was breathing so fast. Buju told her that he came running all the way. But the question got stuck in his mind, who wondered why running make person breathe faster. The answer to Buju's question lies in understanding why we breathe. Breathing is the part of respiration. Let us learn about respiration. Why do we respire? In chapter 2, you learned that all organisms are made up of a small microscopic unit called cell. Cell is the smallest structural and functional unit of organism. Each cell of an organism performs certain functions such as nutrition, transport, excretion, and reproduction. To perform this function, the cell needs energy. Even when we are eating, sleeping, or reading, we require energy. But where does this energy come from? Can you say why your parents insist that you should eat regularly? The food has stored energy which is released during respiration. Therefore, all organisms respire to get energy from food. During breathing, we breathe in air. You know that air contains oxygen. We breathe out air which is rich in carbon dioxide. The air we breathe in is transported to all part of body, ultimately to each the cell. In the cell, oxygen in the air help in breakdown of food. The process of breaking down of food in the cell with release of energy is called cellular respiration. Cellular respiration takes place in cell of all organisms. That means cellular respiration is the process in which breaking down of glucose in cell of organism. In the cell, food, that is glucose, is broken down into carbon dioxide, water using oxygen. When breaking down of glucose occurs with use of oxygen, it is called aerobic respiration. Means when breaking down of glucose takes place in presence of oxygen is called as aerobic respiration. Means जब ग्लूकोज का ब्रेकडाउन ऑक्सीजन के प्रेजेंस में होता है उसे एरोबिक रिस्पायरेशन कहा जाता है. फूड कैन आल्सो बी ब्रोकन डाउन विदाउट यूजिंग ऑक्सीजन. दिस इज कॉल्ड एनरोबिक रिस्पायरेशन. मीन्स when breakdown of glucose takes place in absence of oxygen is called as anaerobic respiration. जब फूड का ब्रेकडाउन ऑक्सीजन की अनुपस्थिति में होता है उसे एनरोबिक रिस्पायरेशन कहा जाता है. ब्रेकडाउन ऑफ फूड रिलीज एनर्जी. ग्लूकोज इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ ऑक्सीजन फॉर्म कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड प्लस वाटर प्लस एनर्जी. You should note that there are some organisms such as yeast that can survive in absence of air. They are called anaerobes. They get energy through anaerobic respiration. In absence of oxygen, glucose breaks down into alcohol, carbon dioxide as given below. Glucose in absence of oxygen form alcohol plus carbon dioxide plus energy. Yeast are single cell organisms. They respire anaerobically and during this process yield alcohol. They are therefore used to make wine and beer. मीन्स इस सिंगल सेल ऑर्गेनिज्म होता है, इनमें एनरोबिक रिस्पायरेशन होता है। एनरोबिक रिस्पायरेशन के दौरान एल्कोहल फॉर्म होता है, इसलिए इसका यूज़ वाइन एंड बियर बनाने में किया जाता है। ओके, our muscle cells can also respire anaerobically but only for short time. When there is a temporary deficiency of oxygen during heavy exercise, fast running, cycling, walking for many hours, or heavy weightlifting, the demand for energy is high, but the supply of oxygen to produce energy is limited. Then anaerobic respiration takes place in muscle cells to fulfill the demand of energy. Glucose, in absence of oxygen, form lactic acid plus energy. Okay, thank you.